swatch a palette I've been using and some new colors from Daniel Smith. One of them's a Primatech, the rest are just regular from their regular line. So I have also purchased this ceramic palette and I am really loving it. Of course I love the porcelain because it doesn't beat up when you mix colors, but I've been really enjoying, you know, just squirting it straight out of the tube, and if it dries, okay, if it doesn't, okay. But I'll swatch these colors out that I'm using. They're really, really pretty. So I'm just going to use a Princeton Velvet Touch Oval Mop 1/4 size. And I will start with the first color, and this is Raw Sienna, and this is I believe it's series 1. It's an older color, PBR 7, and I'm just going to do some, let me see if I can't get that light a little better. Okay, Raw Sienna, and I'm just going to do circle swatches here. I've been loving this mop brush because you can really get in organic shapes. I'm just going to put a little bit more pigment in there so we can see if it granulates and how well it granulates. And this next one is Potter's Pink. There's all kinds of videos out there on Potter's Pink. I got it because of the granulation. It's kind of a mauve-y color. It is PR 233. It's a single pigment. Let me get some more pigment and put down in there so we can really see how it separates and granulates. And this next one is a Primatech color, and it's called Serpentine Genuine, and it is, it doesn't have a pigment number, it just says Genuine Serpentine. Genuine Serpentine. It's really pretty. I've been using it on its own and mixing it. And this next one is Naphthalide Maroon. Oh, it's really gorgeous. I always used Bordeaux. Naphthalide Maroon. It's really good. And I've been using these colors for autumn. Let's get a little bit more pigment and drop it in there. And this last one is known by everybody. It's Moon Glow, but it's a dark, and I wanted to have a dark in my palette as I was doing some sketchbook work and some fall trees and fall leaves. So you can see how this Potter's Pink is really granulating nicely. So is the Serpentine Genuine. So I am going to mix this Naphthalide Maroon with some Serpentine Genuine, and I tell you, it just makes a really beautiful brown. Get a paper towel. And if you add more, let's see, if I added more of the Serpentine Genuine, I'd get even deeper brown. So these are just different ratios, but that is really nice for tree bark, trees. Okay, so now I'm going to mix raw sienna with Potter's Pink. Let's get that Potter's Pink, you know, you really kind of have to work at it to get pigment to come up. It's best if you use it straight from the tube. So, okay, here's the Potter's Pink and the raw sienna. And it comes up almost a really nice flesh tone. Okay, so let's mix Moon Glow with the naphthalide maroon, and I think I'm going to put a little bit more of that maroon in there. That's really pretty fall. Really pretty fall palette. Okay, so now I'm going to mix raw sienna with the naphthalide This is pretty. It's a very rusty color. Reminds me of leaves. So there are some really pretty mixes you can get from these five colors. I really look at that Potter's Pink and how it granulates. And this is the raw sienna and the Potter's Pink separating out. That's really, really pretty. Okay, let's see. Let's do one more over here. Let's make sure I'm in the, let's do raw sienna and the serpentine. And this is sort of like an olivey green. That's nice. And you can get different proportions, you know. You can add more green. And get a totally different color. Okay, let's add the Moon Glow to raw sienna. Let me get this one out here, clean this well. Okay, let's get some raw sienna and bring it over. And I know you can't see my mixing area. There. So I took some raw sienna and mixed it with Moon Glow. And I got a real smoky gray. Oh, that dripped water. Because yellow, and this is mainly purple or blue, and it will neutralize. So what else? Let's mix I think that's it. Take some raw sienna and put it with this naphthide maroon. And I think I already did this down here. That might have a little Moon Glow in it. Oops. It's really pretty flesh tone. So I'm really enjoying this palette. Look at that. Look at that raw sienna with the Serpentine Genuine. It's really granulating out beautifully. So I hope you like this swatching session. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And, you know, hey, just get some colors and start mixing. You know, and you know, you don't need all these colors, but these are some different colors that I just like to experiment. If you get different colors, though, and mix from those, your work is going to be different from everybody else's. So that's one way to individualize your work, is use some different colors. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.